working on a project that's internal threading, and this is one that I finished. And so the second one is a little bit more complicated because the threads don't go all the way through, and it's going to be into a flat bottom. So it requires a little bit more skill and technical skill to complete this project.
Can I ask you something real quick?
Sure.
What made you want to get into machine technology?
So I actually worked as a machinist in the Navy.
Oh, sweet.
A long time ago.
Yeah.
And I always wanted to come back. I thought maybe, you know, it would be as a hobby. And then I learned that Laney has this program. And so I was so excited to, like, you know, just like get back into it and get on the machines, get on the lathes and the milling machines, and like get back to the skill that I really loved many years ago.
Yeah, so you really enjoy this.
I do. Like, this is my happy place.
That's great.
What we're looking for is 1.8 inches.
1.8 inches. So right there.
No. That's 1 and 8.
1.8. So right around there.
I think the measuring part is pretty important, though, isn't it?
You got a Sharpie? No.
You got a Sharpie over there?
Thank you.
So we're that.
Right there, right?
Okay.
It should end up right there where that box mark is. Got it! It's off. Okay, gotcha. Walk back.
Yeah. Okay. So what we want to do is measure this down here. Where's the calipers? 1, 2. So what's our foot call for that to be at?
771.
770. Yeah.
Yeah, we're at 772.
So would you say they're measuring and calibrating right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to go in a little more.
Okay.
So that's just a reference number.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
Just to have the
So,
concept around it.
all right, if I, and then 6,000
Okay.
right now.
What exactly are they making? Is it like just...
8?
So right, it's
$10.
right here's the gold pump shaft,
What's that, 3?
and right
Okay.
now he's trying to get this
Well,
to
what
be
if I
a
got 2?
taper.
2, okay. C,
750
C,
taper per foot.
Oh, okay.
1,
Interesting.
W.
Yeah, so you see they're standing up or how it
Alright.
to it.
Oh, okay.
There's actually a finished one in one of the glass cases back there. I don't know if you maybe
Oh, I could take a picture of it.
take a picture of the finished product.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, way better finished.